Around Sagada, mag-scout muna kami ng pagkukuhanan ng clay na hindi kami nakakasira sa environment at walang magagalit sa amin. Kung may nakita po kung maganda, we haul the clay, bring them here, soak them in water for a few weeks, sasalain ng 2 beses hanggang makuha namin ang consistency of fineness na katulad nito. Pagkatapos po ng pagsala, very watery siya, kailangan pa po namin siyang i-drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks before we can use it. May 3 klase po ang pottery. May earthenware, stoneware, at saka porcelain. Ang earthenwares po, yung ginagawa nila sa vegan, yung mga paso, yung mga lutuan po. Ang stoneware at saka porcelain, mataas ang luto nilang dalawa. Ang ginagawa namin dito ay stoneware, maabot namin ng temperature na 1,300 degrees Celsius. Now, I'm going to share the making of a pot with a demo fee of
11 plus 1. 12.
15. Do you have 1, 2, 3?
900 for your group and 300 for your group. At kung may gusto mag-try, 100 per head. Would that be okay sa ating
Yes
lahat?
po.
Okay.
Sa atong group.
Sa watch, nag-watch ta.
So first of all, I'm going to center the clay. Centering the clay with pressure from my both hands, and I have to go with the speed of the wheel. Bago tayo makagawa ng any kind of shape na gusto natin, may it be a vase, a bowl, or a mug, cylinder pa po muna ang unang-unang gagawin, for that's the basic shape. To do the cylinder, we put a hole in the middle, widen the hole by slowly pulling the clay towards the side. At this point, with controlled pressure from my both hands, I'm going to compress the clay together and then slowly pull it up to the tip of the clay. One more time. My hand should be the one controlling the clay and not the clay controlling my hands. Whenever I pull it up, I have to do it gradually to maintain the centerness and for it not to collapse. So this is our cylinder. Ito pwede na itong maging pot. But we are going to reshape this for us to see how far the clay goes. So what I'm going to do is to slowly push it outwards here at the very bottom. While pushing and pulling my hands up, I'm supporting my left hand with my right hand outside. Here in the middle, I'm using my right hand and pushing it inwards, slowly pulling it up, supporting my right hand with my left hand inside. Then I'm going to push it outwards at the top para po makagawa tayo ng flower vase.
Wow.
Ito, pwede pa po natin siyang palitin ng konti here at the very middle to enhance the shape if needed be, by slowly pushing it in while pulling the clay up to the top. And if you want this to be a water container, we can just put a spout like that.
Oh.
So, ang ginagawa namin dito, in-air dry namin siya for 5 days. After 5 days of air drying, kapag leather dry na po siya, we come back, we trim the bottom, then we put a handle on it. And that's the time din na maglagay kami ng any kind of decorations na gusto namin to enhance the beauty. Then we air dry it again for a month. Iluluto namin sa oven for 10 hours of firing. Maghintay kami para mag-cool down yung oven, we come back, bring out the pieces, then we apply the glazes. Yung glazes po, yung pinagbibigay kulay at kintab sa kanya, pero hindi po siya kagaya ng pintura na pinahin mo lang, makikita na agad ang result. We have to cook them again to a certain temperature for 10 to 12 hours bago lalabas ang kagandahan ng each piece. They are very good for food containers, they're microwavable, and of course, the color doesn't fade. Sino po ang gusto mag-try? Anyone?